Wuhan Jiaotoniao Medical Instrument Development Company Limited. Founded in 2006, based in Wuhan, the Optical Valley of China. JTN Medical is a leading high-tech company that focuses on developing, manufacturing and marketing physiotherapy and rehabilitation devices. In the last 19 years, JTN keeps as an expert in the research service and distributing various medical laser physical therapy instruments. We always insist on high-end researching and developing efficient investment and reliable quality output. It is dedicated to becoming a world-renowned enterprise of medical laser physical therapy instruments, as well as a flagship enterprise in the health industry, featured with development and marketing integration. We have over 1,000 partner medical institutions and over 280 agents. Our products are extensively used in hospital, clinic, and home healthcare, such as ultrasonic physiotherapy equipment, LED therapy device, high potential therapy device, gynecology medical equipment, handhold LLLT laser therapy device, semiconductor laser therapy device, male prostate therapy device, and other types of physiotherapy products. Depending on a core R&D team and strict quality management system, our products have been exported to more than 70 countries. JTN Medical has been providing high-quality and innovative medical devices for customers all over the world. We wish to establish the long-term business relationship with overseas partners, agent. OEM and ODM are warmly welcome. Our vision is to improve people's life and health with digital and intelligence medical instrument. Looking forward to cooperating with you.